1, 2, 3, some creativity! Hi everybody, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are. Welcome back to another video with some creativity. So today is a different type of video. I don't know about you, but we have a very active 2-year-old. I wanted to make her a sensory bin. Now a lot of them use toddler safe sand, and they can use it, scoop it up, throw balls in it, whatever. I just wanted to make some using household items. So here we have our flour, some brown sugar, and some baby oil. So we're gonna do about 5 cups of flour. That's not gonna work. You coming to help me see? 1.
I'm gonna 10.
Drop this. 2, 3, 4, 5. So right now we have a bin full of flour. Next we're gonna pour in the brown sugar. This is solely for color. It might give it a nice aroma as well, but it's just to give it more of a sandy look. You don't need to do this part. If you don't have brown sugar, that is okay. Yeah. You're gonna help mommy mix. 1, 2, and 3. That was again 2.5. Okay, you mix it with your hands. Mix. Whoa, you feel that? It does feel very nice, by the way. Okay, while little one is mixing, I'm just gonna add the baby oil. Baby oil. Can you squeeze it? And we're gonna mix it up. Mix, mix, mix. As you see, she is already enjoying it. It is very soft because we added the brown sugar. It smells very good. It kind of smells cinnamon. Move over so it won't fall down. And look at that. So, oh, be careful. Yeah, we're gonna get them full. There we go. Look what we did. You see? You get it? Oh, so pretty. What color is this? Pink. Good job. Can we find another one? Blue. Good job. Yellow. This one. Pink and red. Good job. We're going to take a little one in her bin to another area so she can really dig in. See you later. Bye, guys.